Hello friends, welcome to TrendTech Guide. Today I'll show you how to make Windows icons bigger or smaller. So if you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe. So let's start. First of all, you can see I am here in my Windows. You can see these are my icons. If I want to make this smaller, first of all I will right click on any open space. And over here you can find this view. And here are different options over here. Large icon, medium icon or small icon. If I want to make this smaller, I'll click on this small icons. And you can see the size of icons over here is reduced. Now to make this bigger, again right click on any open space, go to view and over here you can find this large icons. And you can find this all fill my desktop. Now I don't want this, so I'll go with medium icons. And over here you can see these medium icons are perfectly fit for my desktop. So you can choose any one, large, medium or small and make the icons bigger or smaller. In this way we can change the size of icons in Windows 10. If you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe. Have a good time.